Hi, my name is Bilal from Performance Lexus in St. Catharines, and today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your new Lexus NX. So let's start off by talking about my absolute favorite, brand new to the Lexus lineup feature, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. To activate this feature, start by pairing your phone, making sure you have the appropriate settings on your phone activated. After a few moments, an icon on the top left will pop up. Click on this and you will have access to things like Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, and all of your other favorites. You will notice this changes the entire look of the screen. It is almost like you're having your phone displayed on a larger screen. If you ever need to get back to the Lexus screen, simply click the Lexus logo in the menu and you're home. On the new Lexus interface screen, there is a way to view all the safety features in one organized page. To do this, click on this button here, and you will see things like blind spot mirrors, lane departure, safe exit assist, rear cross traffic alert, and many more depending on the trim of your vehicle. To learn more about the new Lexus NX or any other vehicles in our Lexus lineup, please like and subscribe to our Performance Lexus YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Again, my name is Bilal. Thank you for watching.